this was officially first class for me where I'm learning actual pronunciation. I never thought that "per" can be pronounced as "fur," and it will actually sound, because I always noticed this difference but did not understand the cause of the difference. When I hear people, especially from US and other countries, right, they try to pronounce that way. And in this class, as I am practicing this right now, and also your customizable feedbacks and tips for each one of us, because even if I am speaking with someone, even if I am speaking in front of mirror, I may not find my errors,
mistakes,
areas of improvement, but you can very simply notice that, and that's a very, very huge value add for me and for everyone, I guess. And practicing with each one of us, so practicing the same word more than 10 times, that gives us unconscious practice to our mouth and muscles, which eventually will improve our pronunciation. So I think this is very wonderful, and with you, all the English sessions are amazing. So I'm very happy. Actually, I asked Sapna ji for help to enhance my business journey. So I'm also an entrepreneur and trying to enhance my business English add another level to it, and adding these beautiful things of grammars and pronunciation and fluency. So Sapna ji is helping me doing that, and she is also helping on my unconscious level. So it's all amazing thing. Meaning unknowingly she does, but it's
the mindset part. Yes,
mindset
working on his mindset as well. So that's one-to-one sessions with this is how one-to-one sessions are.
Before joining this class, I never knew that it's gonna be such a fun, not only fun, that this is really, I'm learning something. What I never thought that I am doing this kind of mistake for all of my life, pronouncing P and B, today this is an enlightenment for me. So I'm feeling fortunate that I'm here, and just by paying a very, very small fees. So delighted to be here. Thank you so much, Sapna ji. You are doing a great job. 2 to 3 hours per day to my language, my English, definitely I'll sound better. So thank you so much, everyone.
Yeah, it is fun to practice. At the same time, we are getting a feedback, so that really helps a lot. So that helps where we are doing the mistake and correcting ourselves. Then you are giving a lot of tips how to move your lips and how to get the air. That is technically helping us to better our pronunciation. Thank you.
Yeah, ma'am. I'm enjoying this class, ma'am. And ma'am, I tell you something. When I'm in 5th standard, I'm learning alphabetical ABC. I'm a Maharashtrian now, and I'm a Marathi medium student. So, first time you tell me how to pronounce. That is important. I'm learning so much knowledge. I'm taking so much knowledge. Thank you so much.
I am waiting for this kind of trainer. I think I can meet you very early, because from 10th standard onwards I am trying to learn such a way. But my 50th age I got it. So I'm proud of myself, because I am ready to learn from This is a very how can I say, marvelous time for me too. Thank you so much.